Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm preparing Kannur special spicy tea time snack, kalmas. So before moving on to our recipe, if you are new here or have not yet subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to press the bell icon button for notification. Now let's start making kalmas. Now take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add 3 medium sized onion finely chopped and saute until it's transparent. While sauteing, add little salt. Once it's transparent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 green chilies finely chopped and saute well. And add curry leaves and saute well. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder and saute well. Now adding the boiled and shredded 200 grams of chicken breast. While boiling, I have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt. And now adding that mix well. Now adding chicken stock. It will enhance the taste. Now add salt to taste and add coriander leaves and mix well. Now our stuffing is done. Now we will keep aside the stuffing and will make a outer covering for stuffing this. Now take half cup of shredded coconut and 4 to 5 shallots and 1 to 2 tablespoon of fennel seed and just crush it all together and keep aside. Do not grind and make it a paste, just crush and keep aside. Now add 2 cups of rice flour, add salt to taste and adding hot water for kneading it and make a soft dough. Now adding the crushed coconut, mix and mix well. And this is going to be our outer covering and we will fill the chicken masala inside this and we will fry it. So now this is the consistency we need for the rice flour and we will roll the rice flour and fill the filling chicken masala inside it and press both sides together and just seal all sides and roll into oval shape. This is the shape we need. Now take a steamer and if you have banana leaf, place it over it. Here I am using aluminum foil and brush the aluminum foil with oil, otherwise there is a chance of sticking. And place kalmas one by one. Now steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see it's ready. You can have it like this or without even frying. It tastes good as such. After 10 minutes, give a time to cool down. Otherwise, there is a chance of breaking. Now placing the second batch for steaming. Now we will make a masala mix for rolling the kalmas for fry. Here I have used 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder and add water. It should not be too runny or too thick. Just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and chopped coriander leaf and mix well. Now take a frying pan, add coconut oil. Now fry the kalmas by dipping into this chili mix and fry both the sides. Now it's done. You can serve even without frying the kalmas, but the original version is the fried one. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you on next vlog. Until then, take care and bye bye.